All right, guys. Good evening to all of you once again. Okay. Before beginning today's lecture, there are a few questions that I would like to ask you guys. Okay. Okay. So, if I have to ask you, how did communication begin? What do you think was the beginning of communication? Letters, okay. Pigeon, okay, all right. Good. Sign language, very good. Excellent. Telegram, telephones, art, language, okay. STD phones, very good. Drawings on walls, excellent. Drawings, very good. Talking, actions, okay. Very first was the science, okay, fine. Drum signals, good. Words, okay. Okay, all right, I've got enough answers. Okay, amazing, everyone. If you have ever seen a story about a prehistoric man. Okay, it involves a lot of sounds. Okay, so uh, way back, even before language was discovered, okay, or developed, I would rather say. So before the language was developed, people used sounds as signals. Okay, so this nomadic man, okay, before he began the civilization, before he, you know, was a civilized man. This person he used to cry out for help, and thus he used the sounds. So if you actually see a lot of tribal people, okay, not right now obviously, but back then in movies or documentaries or something like that, you see that they have specific sounds, noises, okay, and they use these noises to call out for help, to as a signal that they are in need of help, or they are in some trouble or danger, and that is how they vocalized their fears. All right. uh, so this is how it first began. People started making noises. Fine. What happened next? What do you think after that? People thought that it is more than this, and they wanted to communicate, so they had actions. Now, guys, tell me, uh, are these actions very universal? Universal होते हैं क्या ये actions जो होते हैं? Are they universal? No, they are not universal. Why are they not? Because for me, thumbs up means all the best. For me, a two fingers V shape is peace. For you, it not may be. It may not be. I mean, for different communities, these uh, signs and symbols could vary. Okay, and just imagine अगर पूरे दिन दमशराज खेलना पड़े तो कितना irritate होता है. Correct. So yeah. So after actions, they uh, tried to communicate through actions, and after a point it was quite frustrating, so they developed a language, and that is how the language came into existence. Correct. When this happened, okay, when the language was developing, the noise or sound, I would rather say, they acted as obviously after that the alphabets developed, and then people started writing. Okay, first there came the spoken language, and then there is this written language, after which there came letters, post, telegram, telephones, radio, television. This all came in the later part, of evolution. But at the beginning, at the very core, there was this dire need to communicate, to tell it to people, you know. And this is what differentiates us, the humans, from animals. Our ability to communicate, correct? Our ability to share our ideas, our feedback. Even they can communicate, the animals can communicate, but not like us. Okay. uh, we have no idea which language was developed first and which later. Obviously, we have no idea. Okay. As the communities prospered and as the entire civilization came into existence, uh, every communicate every community had their own different language. Okay. And then there was this rise of a universal language. And since there was the need of universal language, कि सबको एक भाषा आनी चाहिए at least. Because if I right now go to China and I don't know their language, what will I do there? I would have no idea and be completely lost in a country without any help. Yeah, definitely. Right now we have internet and we have a lot of things to our aid, correct? But therefore, here English is very, very, very important, correct? Okay, now tell me, okay, so English is a universal language and thus it is very important to learn because it is used everywhere. All right. Now, guys, tell me, how do you communicate in this age? How do you do so? Don't worry, I've not shared my screen yet. Yeah. So I asked you, how do you communicate right now? You chat, okay. Chatting is the, okay, by phones. Correct. Video calling, yes. Chatting, but, texting or chatting. You have various applications for that. You have WhatsApp and Instagram. You even do that on Zoom, correct? Yeah. Yeah. So Instagram, WhatsApp, what not. Yeah. So and here in WhatsApp and Instagram, what do? You use emoticons. You have this very weird lingo, I would say. You all type in some short forms I have no idea about. Yeah, yeah. You have Twitter and Facebook. I'm sorry, I missed that. क्या कौन से मतलब वो exactly this lol. Yeah, yeah, face to face communication is obviously there. Yeah. So all these social media apps, they help you to keep your friend circle closer, apparently, I would say. Correct. PUBG कहाँ से बीच में आया ये? Okay, okay, okay. So I get irritated a lot if you say, "Oh my God, what is this? Good afternoon के लिए GA यूज करते हो, good morning के लिए GM यूज करते हो." बहुत irritating लगता है, you know. Okay, anyway. Uh, Keeping all of this aside, we have, gone to the basic. We still use sign language for communicating with each other. And okay, so today the chapter that we are going to learn is about how important communication is, and if this communication is not clear, enhanced, it only creates chaos. It only leads to confusion. Okay. And after this chapter, I'm very sure that you're going to actually feel fortunate because the communication is so enhanced, so simple and easy. Like at the tap of your fingers, you can do so many things. You can message people, you can, talk to them, you can see them even. Okay. And therefore, these abbreviated versions, which I'm not very fond of, you will hopefully leave it. Okay. Okay. So, very quickly, we will begin with today's chapter. We are going to begin with 3.4, how the first letter was written. Okay. It focuses or it throws light upon how different individuals back then, they used to interpret information according to their own perception and their own understanding. And therefore, clear communication is so important. Even in today's time, you must have seen, okay, बहुत सारे झगड़े, a lot of fights are based on so many misunderstandings. अरे तूने तो ये बोला था ना, मुझे ये लगा. You know, you said this, but I did not mean that. You must have heard this a lot of times. Okay, come on, let us begin. How the first letter was written. Once upon a most early time was a Neolithic man, and he lived cavily in a cave. And he wore very few clothes, and he couldn't read, and he couldn't write, and he didn't want to. And except when he was hungry, he was quite happy. Okay, so in this first sentence, we understand that we are talking of a very, very early time when there was a Neolithic man. What do you mean by Neolithic, guys? Neolithic refers to a man, okay, the human race belonging to the later part of the Stone Age era. Ancient man, yes, you could say. Not old age. Old age nahi hota beta. Ancient man, okay, later part of the Stone Age era. Okay, yeah. You must have studied this in history. Yes, so this was a Neolithic man and he used to stay in a cave and in a very cavily fashion. Okay, he did not know how to read, he did not know how to write, he wore very few clothes, and he was a very jolly sort of person, a very happy to go lucky person, except when he was hungry. जब ये hungry होता था तभी बहुत ही irritated होता था, वरना बहुत ही खुश होता था. ठीक है, so we are going to read about this man. His name was Tegumai Boksulai, and that means man who does not put his foot forward in a hurry. But we, O best beloved, will call him Tegumai for short. Okay, उसका नाम वो मैन का नाम क्या था? Tegumai Boksulai, जिसका मीनिंग होता है कि एक ऐसा इंसान जो कभी भी इनिशिएटिव नहीं लेता, जो कभी भी will not take any sort of initiative or take the first attempt. इसका मतलब होता है man who does not put his foot forward in a hurry. He will not do anything. He was a very what do you say, शांत किस्म का आदमी था. Okay, a very quiet person. And we, ओ बेस्ट बिलवर्ड मतलब lovingly, हम लोग lovingly उसको क्या बुलाएंगे बेटा? टेगुमाई फॉर शॉर्ट. हम उसको शॉर्ट में टेगुमाई बुलाएंगे. एंड हिज वाइफ्स नेम, और उसकी बीवी का नाम था टेशुमाई टेवेंड्रो. क्या था बेटा? टेशुमाई टेवेंड्रो. And that means lady who asks a very many questions. But we, oh best beloved, will call her Teshumai for short. वो एक ऐसी बीवी थी जो बहुत सारे सवाल करती थी, इसके लिए हम उसको प्यार से इन शॉर्ट टेशुमाई बुलाएंगे. ठीक है, a very curious lady she was. Okay, and his little girl daughter's name was Tephimai Metalumai, and that means a small person without any manners who ought to be spanked. But I'm going to call her Taffy. Okay, तो उन दोनों की लड़की थी. Okay, a very very loving daughter she was. Her name was Tephimai Metalumai. ठीक है, उसको प्यार से हम क्या बुलाएंगे? टैफी. ये टेफेमाई मेटालोमाई का मतलब था she was a very very small person without any manners. She had no manners whatsoever, who ought to be spanked, who should have been spanked. Spanked, what do you mean by spanked? It means basically a slap, not on the face but on uh, the flat surface of your back or something. Okay, so when you just spank, so a hit. Okay, not really beaten. You don't have to beat that person. Spank is just a slap on the back or something. Okay, yeah, so basically she should have been punished a lot of times. Okay, because she had no manners whatsoever. And She was Tegumai Bopsulai's best beloved and her own mummy's best beloved. वो अपने पापा की बहुत प्यारी गुड़िया थी और अपनी मम्मी की भी. So basically she was very much loved by both her parents, and obviously as a single child she was pampered a lot. So she was not what spanked, punished, okay, half as much as was good for her. Matlab, 10 times she'll do things which are not supposed to be done, which are her mistakes and stuff, and not even 5 times was she uh, you know uh, told that she was wrong. All right, and they were all three very happy, but except for this, all these three people, they stayed together very, very happily. Now attend and listen. Now is the time when our story begins. Okay, so pay attention and listen to this. One day, Tegumai Bopsulai went down through the beaver swamp to the Vagai River to spear carp fish for dinner. And Taffy went too. एक दिन ऐसा हुआ कि टेगुमाई बॉप्सुलाई वो बीवर स्वैम्प से वागई रिवर जाने के लिए निकले to spear to catch carp fish. Carp fish it is a particular kind of fish he wanted for dinner. तो ये डिनर के लिए ये लोग फिश मतलब फिशिंग करने गए एंड टैफी भी उनके साथ गई. ओके, now beaver swamp is basically a very marshy land. Okay, um, I would say that it comes very near to दलदल जैसा होता है ना. I have a picture for you. Just a second. Okay, beaver swamps. So I hope you can see this. Such lands which are quite watery. Okay, and it's very difficult to walk through them. All right. So these are beaver swamps. You can see this one. All right, with a lot of plants there. Okay. All right. So yeah, so they went to Vagai River and they wanted to do fishing there. Now, Tegumai's spear was made of wood with shark's teeth at the end. And before he had caught any fish at all, he accidentally broke it clean across by jabbing it down too hard on the bottom of the river. क्या हुआ बेटा कि गलती से before he had even caught a single fish that day, गलती से ये जो spear है वो जोर से bottom of the river के साथ टकरा गया and the spear that was there that broke. So you could see the spear here. Can you see this picture here on your screen? This was his spear. Okay, it was made of wood, and at the end of this, the shark's tooth was attached. Okay, yeah. So एक भी fish तो पकड़ी नहीं थी और ये टूट गया. Now they were miles and miles from home, and Tegumai had forgotten to bring any extra spears. वो बहुत दूर थे अपने घर से, and उसके पास एक extra spear भी नहीं था. Here's a pretty kettle of fish, said Tegumai. It will take me half the day to mend this. आधा दिन निकल जाएगा इसको रिपेयर करने में. Okay, mend yours is a pretty kettle of fish. Pretty kettle of fish means a very messy situation, a very problematic situation, because अभी नहीं मालूम कि क्या करेंगे. Very inconvenient situation. ठीक है. Okay. Okay, jabbing means poking roughly with something sharp. Okay, so basically poke is to finger it. Okay, and because उसने वो डाला ना तो उधर टकरा गया. ठीक है, बहुत जोर से अचानक से वो बॉटम ऑफ द रिवर जो होती है उधर उधर टकरा गया तो वो टूट गया. ऑल राइट, या. Mend is to repair. Mend means repair. Okay, all right. There, there's your big black spear at home, said Taffy. Let me run back to the cave and ask mummy to give it to me. एक काम आपके मतलब अपने घर पे तो क्या है, एक बहुत बड़ा ब्लैक कलर का स्पीयर भी तो है. तो मैं क्या करती हूँ, जल्दी से केव में चली जाती हूँ एंड देन आई आस्क मम्मी टू गिव इट टू मी एंड आई कम अगेन एंड गिव इट टू यू, सेड टैफी. तो टैफी ने ये बोला. बेस्ट बिलावेड मतलब लविंगली किसी को जैसे डार्लिंग बोलते हैं, वैसे ही बेस्ट बिलावेड बोलते हैं लविंगली. राइट. ओके, सो मूविंग ऑन. So obviously this little taffy suggests that she would run to the cave and she would bring the black spear very quickly to him. It's too far for your little fat legs, said Tegumal. Besides, you might fall into the beaver swamp and be drowned. We must make the best of a bad job. Now, there are two reasons why you can't go there. One, it is very, very far for your fat little leg. मतलब कभी जाएगी, कभी आएगी. And you might fall into the beaver swamp. As we said, it was a very marshy land. And she could have drowned easily if not taken care. So he suggests that they should make the best of a bad job. जो भी situation है, जो भी inconvenient situation है, उसका सबसे best जो भी हो सकता है वो करेंगे. Now the best thing was to obviously repair the spear and then use it. Obviously, it was going to take half a day to mend that. Then he would fish, then he would go home again, cook, and then eat. So it was definitely a long procedure there. Anyway, he sat down and took out a little leather mendy bag full of reindeer sinews and strips of leather and lumps of beeswax and resin, and began to mend the spear. अभी उसने क्या किया, अपनी लेदर की लिटिल लेदर की बैग निकाली. मेंडी बैग मतलब रिपेयरिंग बैग, जिसमें उसने सारे implements tools रखे थे to repair things. All right, so therefore मेंडी बैग. Now इसमें क्या थे, reindeer sinews, strips of leathers, lumps of beeswax and resin. Now, this lumps of beeswax and resin was to join things together. अगर आज के जमाने में अगर एक रिपेयरिंग किट होती है तो उसमें सिजर्स, गम, स्टेपलर, सेलो टेप, ये सारी चीजें होती है. वैसे ही इसके पास क्या था, reindeer sinews. Now, those are basically tendons of reindeer. I would like you to see that. Okay, here they are. Can you see this? Okay, so they are basically tendons. Sinews are basically tendons, so part of their body which could be used as ropes in the olden times. Very clear? All right, guys? Okay. So he had all of these things with him, and he started mending. He started repairing the spear. Taffy sat down too, with her toes in the water and her chin in her head, and thought very hard. So she was just sitting and she was thinking very hard about something. Then she said, I say, Daddy, it's an awful nuisance that you and I don't know how to write, isn't it? If we did, we could send a message for the newspaper. कितनी बुरी बात है. It's such a bad thing that we do not know. It is an awful nuisance. It is a chaotic situation that we do not know how to write. क्योंकि अगर लिखना आता होता तो we would have send a message for the newspaper, और ये जो नया spear है वो मंगवा लिया होता कितना easily. ठीक है. Just then a stranger man came along the river, but he belonged to a far tribe, the Tevaras, and he did not understand one word of Tegumai's language. Awful is terrible, nuisance is a chaotic situation. something that is very inconvenient and unwanted. All right, yeah. So आगे क्या होता है, थोड़ी देर में एक स्ट्रेंजर मैन आता है. ओके, none of these people know who he was. Okay, obviously there were only two, Tegumai and Taffy. तो ये स्ट्रेंजर मैन का कोई आइडिया नहीं है ये कौन है, क्या करता है. ठीक है, he belonged to a far tribe. बहुत दूर एक कम्युनिटी रहती थी, ट्राइब रहती थी, the Tevaras. And this stranger man, he belonged to that tribe. He did not understand one word of these people's language. उसको कोई आइडिया नहीं था. ओके, कोई लैंग्वेज कुछ समझ नहीं आता था. He stood on the bank and smiled at Taffy because he had a little girl daughter of his own at home. And when he came across this little girl Taffy, he was reminded of his own daughter back home. So, in a very loving manner, he smiled at her. Tegumai drew a hank of deer sinews from his mendie bag and began to mend his spear. Obviously, while this was happening, Tegumai was busy doing his job. He was, repairing his spear using the deer sinews and stuff from his bag. Come here, said Taffy. Do you know where my mummy lives? And the stranger man said, Hmm. अभी ये Taffy क्या करती है? उसको बोले come here, come here. तुझे पता है मेरी मम्मी कहाँ पे रहती है? Now this person has no idea of what she's saying. Okay, so he just nods and says, "Hmm." Obviously, if there is some person in front of you speaking Chinese and you have no idea how that is spoken or interpreted, so you are completely blank at this point of time. All right. Okay, so silly, said Taffy, and she stamped her foot because she saw a shoal of a very big carp going up the river just when her daddy couldn't use the spear. Okay, so and just at that moment, क्या हुआ कि she stamped her foot, obviously because she was upset. Okay, and the situation was not in her favor at all. क्या हुआ था तभी there was a huge shoal. Shoal is a group. Okay, shoal means group. That is a collective noun that we use for fish. तो fish का एक बहुत बड़ा group, the big carp. Okay, it was going up the river. It just passed by them at the same time when Tegumai couldn't use a spear. Tegumai couldn't catch any of the fish. Basically, uh, बहुत ही इनकन्वीनियंट सिचुएशन होती है. अगर स्पीयर नहीं टूटा होता तो जल्दी से उन्होंने फिश पकड़ ली होती एंड देन दे वुड हैव गॉन ऑन देयर वे. ओके, but right now they couldn't use it and she was very upset and disappointed at the situation. So she stamped her foot in disappointment. Don't bother grown-ups, said Tegumai, so busy with his spear mending that he did not turn around. तो वो जो काम कर रहा था, जैसे काम कर रहा था, वो he is continuing his work, and without even looking back, he says that please don't bother, please don't harass the grown-ups. Okay, leave them alone. I haven't, said Taffy. I only want him to do what I want him to do, and he won't understand. Okay, वो बोलती है अरे मैंने कुछ परेशान नहीं किया, जो मुझे चाहिए वो करे. And he does not understand. उसको समझ ही नहीं आ रहा. Okay, then don't bother me. हाँ ठीक है, तो मुझे परेशान मत कर, said Tegumai. And he went on pulling and straining and at the deer sinews with his mouth full of loose ends. Basically, this is an act where how a person is sewing something in today's age with needle and thread. तो ये जो लूज एंड है वो ठीक कर रहा था एंड पुलिंग एंड स्ट्रेनिंग एंड उसके माउथ में भी लूज एंड्स जो थे वो थे. ठीक है, एंड ही वाज लाइक ओके व्हाटएवर यू वांट टू डू, प्लीज डोंट disturb me right now. Now, the stranger man, a genuine Tevara, he was a real Tevara, okay, sat down on the grass. Okay, wait. He was not stitching a spear, my dear. He was joining the two things, the shark's tooth and the wood. Okay, it had been separated, broken down, I would say. तो वो ये चीज को ज्वाइन करने की ट्राई कर रहा था. इसके लिए टेंडेंस यूज होता है. ओके, the modern equivalent, you could say, are the ropes that we use. Clear with this much? Okay. Yeah. Okay. So this stranger man, he was a real Tevara, and he sat down on the grass, and Taffy showed him what her daddy was doing. The stranger man thought, this is a very wonderful child. She stamps her foot at me and she makes faces. She must be the daughter of the noble chief who is so great that he won't take any notice of me. So he smiled more politely than ever. Okay, now tell me one thing, guys. If you do not understand the language of the other person who is in front of you, and that this person is trying to tell you something, okay, how would you understand or how would you interpret? What would you do? Tell me, come on. By actions, okay, good. How do you judge what the other person is trying to tell you? Very good. Daniel from Takshila, facial expressions, very good. The tone, very good. So I feel this tone, facial expressions, reactions, body language, the body gestures, ये सारी चीजें लिप सिंक नहीं हो सकता बिकॉज आपको मालूम ही नहीं है, ठीक है? तो इसको बोलते हैं नॉन वर्बल कम्युनिकेशन. यू आर नॉट यूजिंग एनी वर्ड्स बट यू आर जस्ट कम्युनिकेटिंग थ्रू एक्सप्रेशंस. नॉन वर्बल कम्युनिकेशन बोलते हैं. तो आपने जो भी बोला अभी, रिएक्शन, जेस्चर, टोन, all of these things they are included in this non-verbal communication. The stranger man who was a Tevara, करेक्ट, वो वही समझने की ट्राई कर रहा था और उसने क्या इंटरप्रेट किया देखो. हाँ, उसे बोला ये इतना छोटी लड़की है, उसमें एटीट्यूड तो बहुत है रे, बहुत है. मतलब शी स्टैंड्स हर फुट एट मी, वो गुस्सा करती है, वो मे बी शी इज मेकिंग फेसेस एट मी एंड शी इज अपसेट, शी इज डिसअपॉइंटेड, आई कैन सी दैट. ओके, एंड दिस पर्सन हु इज द फादर, he does not even take notice of me. मतलब उसने ध्यान भी नहीं दिया, उसको कंसर्न भी नहीं है. So maybe this must be a very बड़े बाप की बिगड़ी हुई बेटी sort of person. Okay. So he was like, okay, 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 let me do one thing. I'll be very polite with them. I'll be very careful with them. So he smiled more politely than ever. Now, said Taffy, I wanted to go to my mummy because your legs are longer than mine and you won't fall into the beaver swamp, and ask for Daddy's other spear, the one with the black handle that hangs over our fireplace. Very clear with this. वो बोलते हैं, see, there are two reasons why I want you to go to my mummy. The two reasons are your legs are longer than mine, correct? You will reach before me, and second, you are not going to fall into the beaver swamp. So both of these reasons are sufficient. My father did not allow me to go initially, correct? So I wanted to go to my mummy and fetch the black spear. All right. The stranger man, he has not understood a word of it. Huh? उसको सिर्फ इतना पता है, there is a girl who is talking to me right now. Okay. The stranger man thought, this is a very, very wonderful child. She waves her arms and she shouts at me, but I don't understand a word of what she says. वो गुस्सा करती है, वो मुझे बोल रही है कुछ, she is waving her arms, but I don't know a single word what she speaks. But if I don't do what she wants, I greatly fear that the haughty chief, man who turns his back on callers, will be angry. ठीक है, वो क्या बोलता है कि ठीक है, मतलब कुछ भी हो, whatever she is saying, I have to do because they appear very ऐसे noble, rich people, people with a lot of importance. Okay, and अगर मैंने इनकी बात नहीं सुनी, तो ये जो haughty chief, ये जो noble chief person है, is going to, you know, punish me severely if I don't do it, and he'll be angry, obviously. Haughty meaning proud. Proud because he is not even paying attention to this stranger man. Clear with this? So, this stranger man, Tevara he was, He thought of a very brilliant idea. Okay. He got up and twisted a big flat piece of bark off a birch tree and gave it to Taffy. Okay, उसने क्या किया? बाजू में एक birch tree था. उसका bark, you understand, the dead stem. Okay, so he pulled out a dead stem, the bark of it, and he offered it to Taffy. All right. He did this, best beloved, very lovingly, to show that his heart was as white as the birch bark, and that he meant no harm. But Taffy didn't quite understand. So this was a sign, this was a symbol, guys. किसका symbol था? To offer peace. जैसे doves are a symbol of peace right now. Okay, they symbolize peace. वैसे ही birch bark है, वो उनकी community में peace का symbol है. ठीक है? It is when you offer a birch bark to somebody, it symbolizes or it shows that you you are not an enemy, you don't mean anything bad for them and stuff. Okay, I want you to see this birch tree. Just a second, can you see this? So he just pulled and he twisted and pulled this piece and he offered it to Taffy. Clear with this? All right. But Taffy, she has no idea if this what this thing symbolizes. क्या मतलब है इसका? उसको कोई भी idea नहीं था. Okay. Oh, said she, now I see you want my mommy's living address. Of course, I can't write, but I can draw pictures if I've anything sharp to scratch with. ठीक है. अच्छा, now I've understood. You want my mommy's living address. Obviously, तुझे कैसे पता होगा कि किधर मेरी मम्मी रहती है? तो okay, I can't write. Okay, I can't write, but I can draw pictures. And through pictures, I'll explain you how to go, how to reach my mother. But I need something sharp to scratch it with. ये बाल्क पे कुछ भी अगर करना हो तो I need something sharp. Please lend me the shark's tooth of your necklace. तो आपका आपने जो necklace पहना है उसमें एक shark tooth है. So now look here. This is the necklace he had worn. The stranger man had worn this necklace, and Taffy wanted the shark tooth that was hanging in the middle. Okay. The stranger man, and he was a Tevara, didn't say anything because he did not understand anything in the first place. So obviously, ये जो Taffy थी उसने ये shark tooth मांगा to draw pictures on this birch tree. Birch bark. But this Taffy, the stranger man did not understand. So he did not react to anything. So Taffy put up her little hand and pulled at the beautiful bead and seed and shark tooth necklace around his neck. तो ये टैफी ने क्या किया? टैफी ने ये जो ब्यूटीफुल बीड सीड और शार्क टूथ वाला जो नेकलेस था उसमें से she tried to pull the shark tooth. Very clear with this? All right. Okay. The stranger man, and he was a Tevara, thought, this is a very, very, very wonderful child. The shark's tooth on my necklace is a magic shark's tooth, and I was always told that if anybody touched it without my leave, they would immediately swell up and burst. But this child does not swell up or burst, and that important chief man, who attends strictly to his business, who has not yet taken any notice of me at all, doesn't seem to be afraid that she will swell up or burst. I had better be more polite. Okay. So, guys, now that you understand what was happening here, do you think this was true? Do you think this was really a magic shark's tooth? What do you think? No? मैजिक शॉर्क टूथ नहीं था. हाँ, पहले के जमाने में बहुत सारे लोग they believed in a lot of superstition and blind faith. Correct? You could not see he was a fool, my dear, not really a fool, but yes, this was his very common belief. Okay, he believed that this tooth was a shark's. It was a magic tooth, and anybody who would touch it without his permission would just swell up, swell, फूल जाएंगे and burst, मतलब फूट जाएंगे, ठीक है, ऐसा हो जाएगा. And because this girl, for the very first time in his life, he had seen somebody touch it without his permission. He thinks that this is a wonderful child because इसको तो ये कुछ भी नहीं हुआ. In fact, his father, who is just present there, उसको तो कुछ पड़ी भी नहीं है because he is not paying attention. Okay, very clear with this. So he does not even pay attention. He attends to his business only. So he is also not afraid if this girl will swell up and burst, and if anything would happen to her. I had better be more polite. These are like great people around me, and I have to do what they say. Very clear with this? All right. So he gave Taffy the shark's tooth, and she lay down flat on her tummy with her legs in the air, like some people on the drawing room floor when they want to draw pictures. Okay? So this is a very good picture of when you want to draw. You're on your chest and stomach, your elbows, and your legs are up in the air. Okay, and you want to you know make beautiful pictures in your drawing room. तो ऐसे ही ये जो टैफी थी वो एक बैंक पे river bank पे ऐसे लेट के she started drawing. Okay, and she does not care about things. We can very clearly see it from her behavior. Okay, so now I will draw you some beautiful pictures. You can look over my shoulder, but you mustn't joggle. Okay, तो वो बोलती है अभी है ना मैं बहुत ही अच्छे अच्छे पिक्चर्स बनाने वाली हूँ. Okay, I'll draw you some beautiful pictures. You can look over my shoulder. Okay, you can look what I'm drawing, but you must not give me jolt. वरना मेरा drawing खराब हो जाएगा. ठीक है, so you must not disturb me. You must not push me even by mistake. Okay. First I'll draw daddy fishing. सबसे पहले मैं क्या बनाऊंगी? Daddy who is fishing. It isn't very like him, but mummy will know. I have to, obviously, this girl, Kathy, she needs to draw in such a way that her mother, when she gets this message, needs to understand why she needs to give this black spear to this stranger man. Obviously, तो वो पूरा एक सीन बनाती है दिखाने के लिए कि ये जो पापा है उनकी जो स्पीयर है उनका जो स्पीयर था वो टूट गया, इट इज ब्रोकन, and he wants a new spear. And the stranger man is going to help us. And for the stranger man, she is going to draw some way. Okay. So पहले Beaver swamps आएंगे, उसके बाद there are going to be some hills. You have to cross that. You have to take a left and then right, whatever. Okay, she is going to give directions to the man. All right. So she has started drawing. For reference, we have this drawing over here. Just a second. If you have your textbook in front of you, it would be better. You can just open the textbook page number 77, and this picture over here that you can see on the screen right now is the picture that she has drawn. Okay, you'll understand what she has drawn. All right. So first I'll draw daddy fishing. It isn't very like him. वो एकदम daddy जैसे दिख नहीं रहे, but mummy will know because I've drawn this spear all broken. मैंने उनका spear जो है पूरा टूटा हुआ दिखाया है so that mummy will understand that he needs a spear. Well, now I will draw the other spear that he wants, the black handled spear. तो मैं वो भी draw करती हूँ बाजू में. It looks as if it was sticking in daddy's back, But that is because the shark's tooth slipped and the piece of bark isn't big enough. क्या हुआ था, बहुत ही छोटी जगह में बहुत सारी चीजें ड्रॉ करनी थी, and it so happened that her hand slipped. The shark tooth slipped from her hand and she had to draw this new spear straight, but hand slip हो गया, तो ऐसा लग रहा था कि ये जो डैडी की बॉडी में से स्पियर पियर्स हो रहा है, मतलब डैडी की बॉडी में घुस गया ऐसा लग रहा है, ठीक है, बट इट्स ओके, ऑब्वियसली मम्मी विल अंडरस्टैंड. That's the spear I want you to fetch. So I'll draw a picture of me, myself, explaining to you. What do you mean by explaining to you, guys? Explaining. Very good. Since this story is written, it's not written in, a Stone Age period, but it is about the Stone Age period and hence such words. Okay, हाँ, तो उसका actual word है explaining. हाँ, तो ये जो है टैफी, उसने क्या ड्रॉ किया, अ पिक्चर ऑफ मी माई सेल्फ एक्सप्लेनिंग समथिंग टू यू. Now my hair doesn't stand up like I've drawn, but it's easier to draw that way. हाँ, obviously मुझे इतना अच्छे बाल ड्रॉ करना नहीं आता, but this is easier, right? So mummy will understand. Now I will draw you. I think you're really very nice, but I can't make you pretty in the picture, so you mustn't be offended. Are you offended? Again, this word, offended. What do you mean by that? Very good. Offended. Defend नहीं बेटा, offended. Okay. Offend. Offend मतलब किसी को बुरा लगे ऐसी चीज करना. Okay. Your action or word, if they hurt others, that is offended. Okay. Yeah. So you are a very nice person and you look really good, but I can't make you pretty in the picture. I don't have so much space and I don't know. I'm not that good at drawing. तो आपको बुरा नहीं लगना चाहिए. हाँ, please. Did you feel bad right now? Okay. The stranger man, and he was a Tevada, smiled. He thought there must be a big battle going to be fought somewhere, and this extraordinary child who takes my magic shark's tooth, but who does not swell up and burst, is telling me to call all the great chief's tribe to help him. He is a great chief, or he would have noticed me. ठीक है, अच्छा वो क्या समझता है ड्राइंग का. देखो, the first one is interpretation one of the picture. Okay, what Taffy actually wanted to convey. This stranger man who has understood something else of this picture. Okay, let us see what he has understood. उसने क्या सोचा कि there must be a big battle going on. बहुत बड़ी बैटल होने वाली है, and these people are in trouble. Who? Tegumai and Taffy, both of them are in trouble. And this is an extraordinary child because she has used her presence of mind. She has used me, to call everybody of their tribe. उसकी community के और भी लोग जो उनकी help करने आ सकते हैं, उनको बुलाने की try कर रहे हैं through me with my help. क्योंकि ये तो वो लड़की है जिसने मेरा shark tooth लिया and उसको कुछ भी नहीं हुआ. She did not swell up, she did not burst, कुछ भी नहीं हुआ. And this great chief, अगर मतलब वो नॉर्मल इंसान होते तो वो डेफिनेटली मुझे नोटिस करते, बट उसने तो कुछ भी नहीं किया. तो दिस इज समथिंग वेरी सीरियस इज गोइंग टू हैपन हियर एंड आई नीड टू help them as soon as I can. Looks at Taffy, drawing very hard and rather scratchily. Now I've drawn you and I've put the spear that Daddy wants into your hand, just to remind you that you are to bring it. अभी मैंने क्या किया? I've drawn you. And with you in your hand, I've drawn that spear because then you should not forget now that you have to bring the spear with you. Now I will show you how to find my mummy's living address. You go along till you come across two trees. Those are trees. और उसने दिखाया कि ये देखिए दो trees है. Then you go over the hill. That's a hill, and obviously while she was drawing, she was explaining. तो वो draw करके दिखाती है that this is the hill and you have to go beyond that, and then you come into a beaver swamp all full of beavers. I haven't put in all the beavers because I can't draw beavers, but I've drawn their heads, and that's all you will see of them when you come across the swamp. Mind you, don't fall in. Then our cave is just beyond the hills. Okay, sorry. Then our cave is just beyond the beaver swamp, and it isn't as high as the hills really, but I can draw things very small. That's my mummy outside. She is beautiful. She is the most beautifulest mummy there ever was. But she won't be offended when she sees I have drawn her so plain. What's the mistake here, guys? Yes, beautifulest. तो ऐसा नहीं होता ना, शी इज द मोस्ट ब्यूटिफुल मम्मी देयर एवर वाज, बट उसको अभी चलेगा, ठीक है, हाँ करेक्ट। तो मैंने बहुत प्लेनली उसको बनाया, बट शी विल बी ओके, शी विल बी प्लीज्ड ऑफ मी बिकॉज आई कैन ड्रॉ। वो तो मेरे से बहुत खुश हो जाएगी बिकॉज आई हैव ड्रॉन सो मच। नाउ इन केस यू फॉरगेट, आई हैव ड्रॉन द स्फीयर दैट डैडी वांट्स आउटसाइड आवर केव। इट इज इनसाइड रियली, बट यू शो द पिक्चर टू माय मम्मी एंड शी विल गिव इट टू यू। तो मैंने बाहर वो वापस वो स्फीयर बनाया है, सो दैट यू नो कि केव में से स्फीयर लेके आना है। इट्स एक्चुअली इनसाइड द हाउस, बट ऑब्वियसली you will understand this when you give it to my mother. I have made her holding up her hands because I know she will be so pleased to see you. Isn't it a beautiful picture? And do you quite understand, or shall I explain again? Okay. वो बोलती है कि उसकी मम्मी के हाथ है ना, उसने ऐसे ऊपर किए हैं. You know, while you welcome somebody, your hands are in a very loving, embracing way. You know, a little above. You know, तो वैसे ही उसने किया, oh you have come, I'm so glad you have come करके उसकी मम्मी खुश हो जाएगी with this picture, she would understand. Okay, इसके लिए खुश दिखाने के लिए hands up किए हैं. And वो पूछती है कि okay, do you understand this or shall I explain it to you again? Okay, very very clear with this. This is the picture. Okay, those were the beaver swamps, and this cave here, and mummy, her hair is also back. All right. Okay, so we'll do one thing. We'll stop here for today. Just go through this chapter again. Okay, all right. Any doubts still here? Okay, all right. Yes. Now the second part is going to be really amazing and fun. I guarantee that. We have only seen the first part, the first interpretation of this drawing. All right. All right. Yes. So have a read, just read it once by the next lecture, so that if you have any doubts we can clear it at the beginning and then move ahead. Thank you very much everyone. Bye, take care, stay safe. Thank you. Thank you, have a good day ahead.